really fun part. I went back there to grab some more stickers, grab some more LOL items, because I know that it is 50% off, because this week the Paper Studio, what they call the blowout sale, everything papers, the Paper Studio and Stampabilities are 50% off throughout the store. So I had to grab some stickers, and I couldn't remember which stickers I picked up last time. You know, these girl stickers. So I did pick this one up with the little jacket, because now I can't remember which ones. I don't think I grabbed this one, because I don't remember seeing this one. So 50% off the $3.99. There is the SKU number, and hopefully my camera's picking that up, but isn't that cute? And some of you guys have seen this before, so it's nothing new, but just in case, here's the SKU number. This is $2.99, 50% off. And then this one here is so cute too, so I had to pick it up. And there's the SKU number. And then I decided to go ahead and pick this up. I don't think I picked it up last time, so the Flea Market Fancy, because it's Paper Studio, is also 50% off, so I went ahead and got it. This is the Messy Hair Flare. And then I finally went back for this one. I didn't get it last time because I already got too much in my hands. There's the SKU number 1573807. It's hard to see because of the glare. And I decided to go ahead and go back for that. Now, here's this one here. I decided to go ahead and pick it up since I practically have, you know, most of the collection. And I want to make something for work. So lately I've been pretty much in the same area. So I like the office that I'm working at right now. So I thought I'd pick this up for work. Okay. And the last time I was there, I also picked these up, so I'll just show you this. But the last time I was there, there was a very helpful sales associate, or I think she might be, I'm not sure if she's one of the managers, but she was very helpful to me. And oh, this is Doodlebug right here, just in case you guys didn't see that. And this was $1. And this goes very well with the LOL paper, just to let you guys know. This is Cupcake. It's called Cupcake. 1539 is the number. And then this one here is this pretty blue, and this one is 1546 Blue Jean. And they call this sugar-coated cardstock by Doodlebug, just in case you don't know. So yeah, I knew these kits were coming because the girl that was helpful to me, her name's Ariana, she told me that they were going to have kits. This was, I don't know, a few weeks ago when I first did my my haul, my LOL haul, the big haul. And yeah, she said they were going to come out with the kits, so I was super excited. So when I went there today, she was there, and I was like, oh, I'm sorry, I'm not even showing you the right one. Here. She was there, and I was like, did you guys get the paper kits? And she said, yes, but I don't think we have any more pink passport. They only have the LOL. So she knew I was obsessed with this one. So I'll have to go back for the pink passport. I should have gotten a rain check. Anyway, here we go. 1674787. And isn't it cute? Oh my gosh. So let me see. Do I have time? Let's make time to open this one up. Okay.